Oh, that's a hiccup. Oh. Your cute little mouth. Dinner time.
Easy way to